Today, we are going to install the Lanner NCA1515 into the RM-LN-T1 from Rackmount.IT. The Lanner NCA1513, 1516, 1250, and VP200 are also compatible with this rack. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 3 zip ties, and 4 M3 bolts. Slide your Lanner in the rack with the connections facing the front. Fix the appliance with the provided bolts, 2 on the right-hand side and 2 on the left-hand side. Use 2 zip ties to tie the power supply down on the rack. Guide the power cable through the hole to the front. Plug the power cable into the device and secure it. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with a zip tie. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Lanner rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.